How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of love handles crazy workout for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So what we're going to do is you put your hand on your stomach like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to push air out. And when we bring it back in, we're going to suck our stomach in as far as possible. Squeeze our abs for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Push out. Suck your stomach back in for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Push out. Suck your stomach back in. Now, this was very popular in the 70s and 80s with the old school bodybuilders. So I'm going to do it as I talk, so keep following along. All the old school bodybuilders used to do this, and powerlifters. It is amazing for getting rid of love handles, getting six-pack abs, and getting rid of back fat because it works your whole entire core, you guys. So it is a great exercise to do. So again, keep following along. So suck your stomach in, push out, suck your stomach back in. Now this is a tricky exercise to learn because anyone can do this exercise, but to do it correctly, you have to squeeze really, really hard. If you do not squeeze really, really hard, then this whole exercise is like pointless. Like you need to make sure when you suck your stomach in, you squeeze really, really hard. Like 1, 2, 3, push out, suck your stomach back in, 1, 2, 3, push out, suck your stomach back in, 1, 2, 3, push out. Super important that we do this, you guys. Now, your abs right now should be demolished. Like they should be really, really sore. If they're not, then you're not doing it correctly. And when I say abs, I mean abs, love handles, back, everything. It should be sore. So again, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Perfect. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.